Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyform.com, and today we're going to go over the four main Indiana power of attorney forms. Now, if you don't know what power of attorney is, real quick, all it is just a legal document that allows you to choose anyone you want to make medical or financial decisions on your behalf. So, getting started, we're going to go all the way to the left, the Indiana Durable Power of Attorney form. Now, this is by far the most popular power of attorney form in the USA, is the durable. And what it does, it allows someone to act on your behalf for any and all financial powers legal within your state. Now, what makes it so popular is that if you should become incapacitated or not mentally able to think for yourself, the person who you assign to represent you can still represent you. The form is still valid. So what that really means is with all these baby boomers getting older, they have things like dementia, Alzheimer's, all these things that are coming into play and can obstruct all their financial obligations that they may have. So what this form does is you can have a family member or someone else, doesn't matter, just as long as I would highly suggest that they're a trusted person. Keep up with all those financial obligations that you may have, such as paying bills and just doing things in your best interest. That's the most popular use, but you can use the durable power of attorney form for a wide range of uses. If you want an attorney or anyone to act for you for financial powers, it works for anything like that. So what you'll find is that this form works very well with the medical power of attorney form. Now, the medical power of attorney form is just how it sounds. It allows you to choose somebody to act for you in all health care decision making. So they get to choose healthcare treatment decisions, facility decisions, and only if very specifically instructed by you, the right to end medical treatment if you become a vegetable. So these two forms complement each other. They're very great to have, especially if you're getting up there in age. And so you also want to just make sure that, again, you choose someone that you trust, because there's a lot of power of attorney fraud out there. So especially I would highly recommend a family member. But moving forward, the general power of attorney form over here, this is just like the durable. It handles financial powers, but the only thing is that if the principal becomes incapacitated or not able to think for themselves, this form becomes void. So, a lot of business partners will use this form, husband and wife teams will use this form, just because, or a lot of people will give this to their accountant to handle the everyday business matters. But as I was going to say before, just because what if they just so happen to become incapacitated, it really changes things, and you can't oversee everything like you were if you were really alive and kicking. So you want to make sure that if you do this, that the person that you choose is a trusted person. And then moving along to the right, the Indiana Limited Power of Attorney form. This gives you the right to give somebody very specific financial powers. And where this is great is a lot of real estate agents use this. A lot of people that are just outside the office a lot use this, because if they get certified mail or they need their assistant back at the office to sign for a lot of things that they're just not able to do all the time. I know a lot of, if you're a landlord, I know a lot of supers have this. Management companies have this for landlords. This is a really great form because it allows you to just have somebody do a very specific thing, and you can make it so that once the objective you wanted them to do is completed, the form can become void, as well as if you just want them to do a particular thing, like I can tell you I use this for my accountant to just have him pay my taxes every year, but I don't necessarily want him to be give him the power to do all my banking or have power to my bank accounts to do withdrawals or deposits. So this is a very good form that can be used for a real wide range of things, and you don't have to. You can sleep at night. You don't have to worry about looking at your bank statements and wondering if someone's taking withdrawals or whatever. But to just recap, to make any of these power of attorney forms legal, you need to get these notarized. Now, to get them notarized, all you got to do is go to a branch bank, and they'll notarize them for you. And if you have an account there, they usually do it for free. If you don't, I know Bank of America charges between $8 to $10, but it can be, every bank is different. I know with my local bank, if I just say to them that I'm interested in opening an account, they'll usually do it for free just because they want your business. But another helpful tip, if you have a medical power of attorney form, I would give that to my primary care physician just in case I become, something should happen, that my doctor knows exactly who can speak for me. So this is it. These are the main Indiana power of attorney forms.